Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken gizzards. Start by rinsing and trimming gizzards, then soak them in salted water for 30 minutes to remove grit. Pat dry and decide whether to braise, fry, or simmer for tender results. Use a gentle simmer or low oven braise to avoid toughness and season early so flavors penetrate. Taste for doneness and adjust salt before serving. Warm and friendly tip time. To get melt-in-your-mouth gizzards, slow and steady is the secret. Simmer in broth with aromatics until a fork slides through easily, or use a pressure cooker for a quicker route. Acidic marinades help break down muscle fibers, and resting after cooking lets juices redistribute. Taste as you go and remember that patience rewards you with tender, flavorful bites every time. For flavor, finish cooked gizzards with a quick sear to caramelize their exterior and boost texture. Build sauces from pan drippings, add herbs, or toss with spicy rubs to suit your palate. Serve over rice, in tacos, or with crisp greens for contrast. Cool quickly, store safely, and reheat gently to preserve tenderness. Enjoy experimenting with spices and sides to make this humble ingredient shine in many dishes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.